Good morning, class 5, and welcome back to your recording class. So since we have already completed chapter 1 last time, so today I will be doing exercises. I'll be solving exercises section, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, true and false, match the following columns and all. Okay, so I will be solving it. If you have your copies, please note down all this. And you have to make your computer copy. You have to do all these question answers, fill in the blanks and all exercises. Today I will just solve the objective types, and by today evening I will send you the PDF which contains question answers and answer in one word or one sentence. I'll give you that. So you have to make one computer copy, and in that copy you have to do all these exercises, okay, which we are going to discuss today. So I have already sent you a PDF. Please go through the PDF. If you don't have your book, you can go through the PDF, and I will be sending you this exercises PDF also. So children, here I am just going to write the options, okay? I am just going to write the answers only, but you have to write all the questions and answers. You have to write the options also, and you have to copy the questions also in your computer exercise copy, okay? So, first exercise that I am going to do is the multiple choice questions. So, first one is, it did not count itself but help a person using it to keep account. So, which machines, okay, which machines will not count itself but it will help the person to count? So, options are abacus, Pascaline, Napier's bone and difference engine. Children, you know that because in this first chapter I had discussed about abacus. So your answer will be A, abacus. As you all know, abacus is the first calculating machine, okay. And number 2, which machine was proposed by Charles Babbage in 1837? There are options given: abacus, difference engine, Pascaline and analytical engine. So children, your answer will be, for number 2, your answer will be analytical engine. Analytical. I am just writing the answers only, but you have to copy the options also in your exercise copy, okay? Now comes number 3. Which of the following parameter is used to calculate the speed of computers? Task, commands, instructions and program. Your answer will be instructions. Number 3. Answer is B. Instructions, okay. Now for number 4, it is also known as the storage capacity of a computer. Options are process, output, input and memory. So children, you know the answer will be memory. You know that memory is used to keep it's used for storage, okay. Number 5, which of the following generations of computer is still under development phase? The computer that we are using today, that is 5th generations computer, is still in the developing phase, okay. Now these are the multiple choice question, children. You have to note down in your computer copy. Now I am going to discuss you fill in the blanks, okay. Let me rub this. Fill in the blanks. It's section B, okay. Fill in the blanks. The British mathematician Dash is considered as the father of computer. So children, I have discussed you about this. He is known as Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer, here I am just writing the answers only. You have to copy the questions and answers, okay? Number 2, a computer is defined as a dash machine which accepts raw information or data as an output. So computer is always defined as an electronic machine, okay? Now, number 3, computers have evolved from huge machines to compact dash devices. The answer will be compact personal devices, okay? Compact personal devices. So, fill in the blanks. Number 4, a computer system does not have the ability to make dash on its own. Ability to make what? Computer cannot make its own decision, okay? As I told you, this is the limitation of computer, that computer cannot decide on its own, computer cannot think on its own, okay? Computer needs an operator or a programmer to operate. Number 5, the dash output is always the results of input provided by the humans, the creative output, okay? Whatever you input it, computer will give us the same output, okay? The creative input. So this was fill in the blanks. Now comes C, right, true or here children, here I am solving all the exercises. So you have to watch this video properly and you have to write this everything in your computer exercise copy, okay? C, Pascaline was the first mechanical device used for calculations. Answer is false, because first is always abacus, okay? Number 2, integrated chips were used in first generations of computer. This is also false. Integrated chips, IC, was used in 4th generation computer and 5th generation, okay? Number 3, a computer functions with a high degree of accuracy. This is right. As I told you in the characteristic of computer, one of the most important characteristic of a computer is accuracy. That means computer is 100% accurate machine, okay? Now comes number 4, a computer provides corresponding outputs for all logical inputs. This is also true, okay? Last, number 5, computer shows capability to recognize when or where to apply the data. That is false, because this is the drawback. Computer cannot decide on its own, computer cannot think on its own, so computer cannot recognize when or where to apply the data. We have to give the instruction to the computer, okay? So this will be a true and false. Okay children, now comes match the following, section D. Here match the following, section D. Also I am just going to write the answer only. Number 1, the first mechanical device used for calculation is, answer is number D. I am just writing the answers, okay? Here, number 1, your answer will be abacus. So children, you please write side by side. First you write the question and answer is this, okay? So you have to write side by side, okay? Number 2, the device with wheels, gears and dials are known as what? Pascaline. Number 3, the device with 9 different bones or strips are known as Napier's bone. Napier's bone. Okay. Number 4, the device with a number of columns numbered from 1 to n. It's known as difference engine. Okay. And last one, number 5, the device with 5 units called the input, output, store mill, and the control is known as analytical engine. Okay, that we have discussed about analytical engine. So children, all these exercises, these are all from your book. So since we have already discussed the chapters, chapter 1 we have already discussed, please go through the PDF. Okay, I'll be sending you the PDF of this one, page number 13 and 14 also, exercises also for questions. If you don't have your book, you can copy question from the PDF, and answers I've already given you on the board. So please, without fail, all of you, please write it down in your computer exercise copy. Today evening, I will be sending you answer from question number E and F, that is answer in one word and answer the following. That also you have to copy neatly in your computer exercise copy so that you can study for your future examinations. Okay children, till then, take care.